Hey, what's up guys? It's Ant here, and today we are going to be making that drip effect. You know that effect that you see with letters on people's t-shirts that have the little drippy thing going on? Yes, that's what we are going to be doing today. Okay, so only thing we have to do is pull in our text here. So we'll pull in our text, but before we start to edit, make sure that you grab your text and you go up to type, press on type, and go down to create outlines. Now mine is grayed out because I've already done this. So that way we can make our text more editable. In this video, we're only going to be using two tools really. And one being the direct selection tool and the other being the add anchor point tool. You can get to the direct selection tool by clicking up here. Just click on it, or you can press A on your keyboard, and with the add anchor point, you can press the plus sign on your keyboard. All right, so let's jump into it. So I'm going to resize this a tad bit so we can see what we're doing. Now we can just find a spot. Let's go here. This looks like a nice place for a drip in this area here. Hit plus on the keyboard. We'll add an anchor point there. That looks good. Now press A and we'll just go ahead and pull it down like so. Well, we want it to be kind of a little bit bigger. So we'll pull it down just a little bit more. Probably a lot more. There we go. Now we can take these handles here and pull these handles out. This handle on the left and this handle on the right. Okay, now that looks good, but see, we want to add just a little bit of shape to it. So what we'll do is we'll go up here to these handles and kind of move these in a little bit, and same over here. Okay, that looks good. I think that's a little big for me, but we'll move the handle in just a little bit like so. And same right here. Okay, now let's open up this just a little. All right, that looks good. We'll do. Head on over here, hit plus, make sure we grab our anchor point, hit A, and just drag that down. Like so. There we go. Let's grab a handle and just pull over. So let's move this to where it kind of looks like it's actually straight. There we go. I'll do one more area, guys, and speed up the video, and we will talk about it on the other side. 1 second. Okay, hit the plus. Click right here. Hit A, or direct selection, and let's grab this. Pull that down like so. Let's move this handle. There we go. So now let's have this conversation about what I mentioned earlier. If we go over here and we grab our anchor point tool and we make another anchor point right here. Okay. With that selected, usually what I do when I'm making anchor points, like in this case, when I'm doing drippy text, I'll just leave it there right? Click the anchor point and leave it there, and then I'll click A, so I'm already at the anchor point. Because if you have a lot of anchor points, it can get confusing. And what I'll do is I'll just grab that, pull that down just like that. That's a little tip for you. As always, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.